Wagwan family. So basically, we just jump right into it. Perfect in your trend line. We'll explain that. We'll explain how to perfect your entry as well. And also, we're going to talk about the winners of the competition. Alright? So we'll just run through this and then we'll proceed. Alright, so basically, perfecting your trend line is basically just trying to visualize how the market is moving. So we already have been through the uptrend and the downtrend of a market structure, a market chart. But what we're really going to know is kind of perfect your trend. So, alright, say we're doing this and the market is going up and retesting and going up and retesting and going up and retesting. What we're going to do really is just kind of just identify where the market is retesting at, and then we draw a line to basically show what the market is doing. All right, so say go up right here, so then it come back and it touch somewhere around here, so go up right here, so come back down, touch and come right here, so go up and touch. So say we did that in uptrend, and then now you see all say them two, the chart start turnover in a way, but it form like this is what they would call when you notice like 2 points respecting like a particular zone. This is what they call a double top. This is one of the confirmations I use. It's called a double top. So it just means say, oh, from you see touch right here, so then you probably play around, go somewhere down and come back up here, so there's a very high possibility that it going start falling. And then what we're going to do from there, so is go so bam from right here. So when you come back up, we've make the first trend play out, and then when you go down and come back up, we'll probably just enter right here, so because we say yo, it'll go follow the trend, you see me? And then it can probably change again or whatever, but just remember say yo, here goes so bam, we'll just basically so buy right here, so we buy right here, so buy right here, so buy right here, so and then if the market turn over, we sell right here, so sell right here, so sell right here, so and yeah, it's simple. We now go what we're gonna do, we're gonna jump on the chart and try identify them here after. But for all the people I don't want kinda stressing out, you see me? But just as me say yo, as long as it starts farming a low right here, so because so bam from the previous high, so this is the previous high and come down, we just start selling off. So in this case with a buy, in this case with a sell. But as I say, I go up on the charts and actually show you how it go. But before we even go there, so I even go back to how to enter in the market. I'm just anxiety I kill everybody. I mean you kinda nervous too. So I just showing the winners, you see me? So all the winners of the competition here. And yes, I know Mr. Sure. Yeah, I did the calculations, and technically these were the first persons to send me. So Brittany Anderson, Suicide Trader, they were the first. So all I'm have to do now, and then be continuous as send. So you know them kind of have the edge. So first place Brittany Anderson, second place Suicide, and third place Richard, Kurt Armstrong, Little Dragon, Green, Hershey's, Jem Honcho, Jadan, Monique, Jada, Tash, Chromatic, and Jacita. There's other person them. I just want personal tell you thanks for the support, but I said it was going to be up to 10th place. I'm already have 2 5th place if you notice, and 2 6th place. And then basically send the same time. You see me? So that's already about 13 people. But not to worry, guys. Need to ask a question. Well, before that, in order to collect your prize, all you have to do is just jump in on my DM on Instagram and say, "Where is my prize?" Just text that. Yeah. But alright. So I know that finance is kind of boring, and probably not everybody interested in trading, but my aim is really to like engage all of the teens, you see me? So me da wonder, just comment if you guys would like me to like special giveaways and challenges like on like various days in the week. Alright, I would still maintain the Monday videos that is just totally for finance, whether it's animated or we'll go up on the charts. But as I say, I'll just let me know, and hopefully when we reach 1,000 subs or so, you know, probably start showing my face in some videos and thing when I do the challenges. Alright, or if you know just want to help me out regardless, just help me out, let me know. And then when things start pick up, you know, say you're not go there first in line. Alright, so that was it for the competition. We're gonna jump back to marking up the charts, you see me? For those who still want to stick around after. That'll be like a relatively long video, but all the loyal supporters them, whosoever stay back, you see me? Me I tell them to say, and yeah, probably have some special fun. Alright guys, so for who's still there, because I know most people they just want to know who win and when them there and then cut. But for who there same way, all of my loyal families them, we'll just go through this. Alright, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go in depth on the perfect in entry part, but just decided, you know, we'll do that in the next video because by the time I finish explaining this, it will go too long. But just a little reminder right here, so where we did have the we did have the perfect in your trend line. Just know say yo, normally when we look for a trend line, we'll go so bam, we'll do it on like a higher time frame than we want enter on. So say we want enter on the 15 minutes, we're gonna do the markup from the hour or 4 hour trend line, 4 hour chart, just so that we can like get a holistic view of what is going on. And then say now we mark up a trend line and we know where the market will go, or we feel we know where the market will go. We go do this now. We go up on the smaller trend line. So say this is the hour trend line right here, so but say we go down on the 15-minute trend line. I think we can just put in 15 and it go. Ugh. Anyways, yeah, it still can match it up for the same, you know. I got you now, guys. Just give me a little second. So basically what I go on right here, so say 15 minutes now, what you do now, you watch the market. So say you did have a trend line, and your trend line I did say right here, so that stretch here, and you see turnover. You see the market turnover. Me make this solid, make this a solid. You see the market a turnover, and you see it goes a bomb now and it start turnover in a like a cell move, in a cell structure. Put it in red. See in a cell structure. Wait that enough enter. You go so bam. You wait till you know say you have the zone name. We'll go through zone already. If you do, we'll probably just go back and watch the video in the playlist. You go so bam, you know, you go down, wait till it retest to get confirmation with an enter right here, so somewhere off here, so, and then go so bam, we'll put stop loss over here, so, and then we just ride the wave until we go down. In a future videos, I'm gonna explain everything, but for this now I'm just show you like a little example. So this will be the short order, and we'll put it right here, so, which basically you can change the color, and I'll go through all of this, but you can change the color and thing. This was just for example, cause I would never do this entry unless my TP the way down here, so, but more than likely, yeah, this would be your short order, and this will basically show which part, like say if you enter a trade, that put in the price, and in time reach here say that probably kick you out, or in time reach down here say that probably make profit and it still kick you out automatically. But yeah, so this is basically the perfect in the entry, just the, you know, my personal drop. Now we'll go up on the chart and see if we can like find some. Well, it can be like a little weird cut, but just give me a second. I'm gonna try find some for you guys. Alright, family. We don't even have to go far, isn't me? Pre this little bit. So remember me I show you how the for just finding trend. We just go find one uptrend, one downtrend. And we know for find trend right, but we just have to talk about perfect in it. See me? See a uptrend right here, so it's steep, but it's a uptrend regardless. With that the green, and then this is a downtrend basically. Just fix the color, say color code. And it probably kinda just look shaky, but you see me? So with a fine right here, so bam, 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 bam. If as I say, if I don't know if you remember in the last video where me they explain and I say, if in the event say, it's hard for you to find it on the candlestick, you can find it on the line chart. It will be much easier for you to find it on the line chart, and it'll wear cheap again. But me I show you exactly. Alright, family. Them just exit the screen and the recorder chip out. So at the same time, I'm gonna touch nothing. You just go to BAM and you just click on the line and you see you can find the you see kinda much more easier for you see me? Oh now step on line chart, I jump back on the candlestick and then it will chip out again. But just bear with me, family. So we're back and so we find the trend. That was it. So say now we go to BAM what I explained to you earlier on. So we're finding upon the 60 frame. So say we did upon the 60 frame, I'll highlight say this are the trend, you see me? We highlight say this are the trend, highlight say this are the uptrend and downtrend, and you know say the downtrend I will continue. What you are going to know is we'll go down on a lower time frame, so you can go down on the 30, the 15 minute, the 5 minute, but for this video just I'll go up on the 15 minute and I'll go back down. Alt R if you just refresh the screen, and then you go so remember me there showing the whole trend line situation where I just draw it same way like how we draw it. So this is the last part, the market move. Just remember this is the last part of the market move, and this is one I think I'm gonna like with trading view and them shaky thing. But yeah, this is the part where the market move and touch it out. So basically as I say now, I would have dropped the trend, we just have drop the trend line. And this would have probably be the nether trend line. And then this would have been the other trend line. If you're still there, go on watch it out with me and just say yo me there in the comments, let me know. So yeah, alright, so as you can see now, I don't know if it play out, it show like oh me I see, but just forget the red. The red right now not really relevant, you see me? So say go down here so, and then come down and then come back up a little more, go up. If you remember the same thing like when I talk about not too long ago, you see me? You can even put it right here so that one here come. Or I just draw it right here so, you see me? Yeah, and then you see break right here so, and then you come back right here so again and get a confirmation where you see it a wick out of the zone. You see a confirmation. This is your confirmation right here so, and then we say your money for days, you see me? I'll just ride it, go back down to the next zone, you see me? So what you do, Cause really and truly right here, so that be which part of the market. You can either enter right here, so but the major move the right here, so I'm say yo, put in a short pool right here, so cause the enter right here, so enter right here, so over stop loss even right here, so or even here, so your choose really. But if you want to be super safe, you put it up here, so if you kinda want to take the risk, you can put it there, so and then and you cover the market and you win the trade and walk away, you see me? And basically I saw the market play out more while. A couple more things to talk about before you can say oh you can watch all this and see you can trade. We have the perfect in the entry, I actually go in depth with it. You have psychology, you have them tools here, I just make a video dedicated for setting up your whole trading view and them things there. Someone non commented also asked withdrawal method. And then we'll go back test, you see me? We'll probably go live and back test or make a video. I don't really know. I don't really know. We'll talk about the time they went for enter. And then just my personal experience overall, and then we just digress from Forex a little bit and talk about stocks and personal finance. But guys, if you're still there with me, just leave a thumbs up and just text, just say how you reach the end. You see me? Just text and say how you reach the end. And yo, big ups, loving the guys. Thanks for the support, and see you in the next video.